Hi students, how are you? Hope you are fine and stay safe at home. I think all of you watched the English class in Victor's channel. Did you write the verb activity? Yes, very good. Our first unit is Nature's Plenty. Here is a quote of Albert Einstein. Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Do you agree with these words? Can you find any other meaning for the quotation? Let us watch a video.
Strike was a lonely event a little over a year ago, and in the intervening time, you have sparked the interest of millions, literally, of children around the globe, demanding action for climate change. What's your message to world leaders today?
My message is that we'll be watching you. This is all wrong. I shouldn't be up here. I should be back in school on the other side of the ocean. Yet you all come to us young people for hope. How dare you? You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words, and yet I'm one of the lucky ones. People are suffering, people are dying, entire ecosystems are collapsing. We are in the beginning of a mass extinction, and all you can talk about is money and fairy tales of eternal economic growth. How dare you?
Okay students, can you identify the speaker? It is Greta Thunberg. What did she speak about? Did she speaking about climate change and the problem caused it? Did you hear about Chipko movement and Narmada Bachao Andolan? Okay, these two are also Save the Environment movement. Let us read newspaper clipping, page 8 in your English textbook. Nature's Daughter. Jagat. Living close to nature is living life in full. Suryamani's stories will definitely be an eye-opener to those who deliberately walk away from nature. Suryamani is a tribal nature activist who loves the forest and considers it as her own. She loved the forest and knew that she could do something to save it. In college, she became a part of Save the Forest movement. She went on nature walk with children on weekends, explaining that our survival is linked with the survival of the forest. Let us go for a nature walk, shall we? How would that experience be, students? List them in appropriate columns, page 8 in your textbook. And don't forget to write a paragraph. What would you see, hear and smell in a forest in our nature walk? Okay, students, bye. We will meet next class.